You're watching this video and deciding this dude's gonna make $1,000 in 7 days. This guy right here, well, guess what? Yeah, this dude at the park doing meditation, we're making $1,000 in 7 days. And I'm doing a voiceover to myself, looking like an idiot in the parking lot. Well, guess what? $1,000 7 days, every single day I'll be updating you on every single dollar. So guess what? You think I can't do it? Well, I got other words for you. We're gonna make a bet. Okay guys, so a quick update. We made our first amount of dollars. It is 4:17 p.m. Took a whole day to make some money, but it's okay. So we made $28. We sold a trading indicator to a guy I've been talking to for over a week now on my trading Instagram account. And so we sold that. He used the discount code, which got him $8 off. And we only get 70 or 80%. I forgot what commission we get off of my affiliate program. We have $28 pending right there. I'll approve it later, but yeah, we made that little sale right there. Literally just made this 5 minutes ago. Super long time to make some money today, especially because I can't use any of my other businesses. So anyways, I'll get back to you guys either tonight if I make any more sales or tomorrow, depending on the trading goes. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Peace. It's day 2. So it's day 2 of the 7-day series. I'm making $1,000, and let me tell you what's going on so far today. So we've actually made a pretty decent amount of money today because I sold one of my TikTok accounts that I made in December. Yada, yada, yada. It was 11,000 followers, and honestly, we made a good amount of money for it. I sold it to a guy in my Discord for $75. So we can add that to the total, which should be right there, wherever it is. As in other things, affiliate marketing was kind of the only other thing that we made money off of. We made a total of $20 in sales, which equivalents to 70%, which is I'll put the screenshot up there. So pretty good. We've been posting on my traders account. As you can see, one of the reels did really good. Also, I want to quickly say that I started a new TikTok account, which finally I found a technique that it's not IP banning me, and it's doing actually pretty good right now. So hopefully we can grow that. Maybe we sell it, or maybe we make money off affiliate marketing. I don't know yet. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is day 3. And so far, hey, we made a good amount of money today. We made a total of, I think we're at $119 right now. I don't know if I'm right. You'll see on the screen. But yeah, tomorrow, hopefully we can have a big day. I have lots of plans for tomorrow. Hopefully I sell another account, so I'm able to get these Gmails back. Don't know for sure though. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you then. We made a lot of money. So we made a good amount of money today. We affiliate marketed, and we also did some crypto trading to help us boost the ratings of our stats. So as you guessed it, we did affiliate marketing, and then we also did crypto trading. The reason I did crypto trading was because we weren't in the best scenario being on day 3 to reach $1,000. As you know, we're at like $117 right now. And if we want to hit $1,000, I need to level up my game and go back to the roots. So that's what I did. I did my affiliate marketing today. I actually bought a new account too, so that should help boost our stats for affiliate marketing. I'm not going to put my account name on here because last time I did, the account went dead. But as you can see right here, I'll just put it like blurred out. It has over 6,000 followers, and so far we have already gotten a couple of sales from it, as you can tell from the day. Also, one of the reels did super good as well on my trading account, so we did pretty good on that as well. The reason I did crypto trading, I wasn't planning on doing it. I was only planning on doing it on stock trading. I normally don't like to scalp and day trade for crypto because it's kind of stressful, and I feel like providing a video of me doing crypto trading, not many people understand it, so it's not as valuable to you guys. But I need to hit $1,000, so I gotta go back to the roots. Now, I took 3 total trades in the span of 3.5 hours. Now, the 2 profitable trades I took, the one bad one I'm not gonna go over, but I lost 3% on that one, which was about $23. And the 2 good ones I'll show you after each time I say it. The first profitable trade was 4.27% profit, and that was equivalent to $42 in profit. Okay, so this was the first trade. Again, I did this really quick because I was under the time limit of making the trades. Basically, what we're looking at here is a 3 hump. So we see 3 current actions. We see a dip. So when we see that dip right in there, we're going to take that trade up, which honestly is not bad when we're talking about crypto trading. Now, the second trade was a very confident trade I took. The first trade was a Bitcoin trade. The second trade, I took an Ethereum trade, and I'll explain it. Okay, so first I'm circling the wrong thing. Where you see those 3 arrows are, yeah, that's where we entered. We saw that it hit a resistance point, and we basically just took it up to a high. We got a staggering 7% gain, which equivalented to over $80 we made off of that trade. I believe $89. Don't quote me on that, whatever it says on the screen. We did really good today. So on the total day, I believe we hit just over $108. Now, if you count the affiliate marketing as well, as we'll go over the stats on those. And we did a total day of about $119 in revenue. We did 2 trading indicators, I believe 2 affiliate marketing books and 2 trading books. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. And the total profit on that was, I believe, around $84. So if we add all those up on today, we're looking at just about $108 for the trading day in total profits. That's obviously with the loss. And then for our affiliate marketing, we're looking at $84 in profit, which would bring us at a total of $192 in profit for the whole entire day, which is really good. I was hoping for a good day today. That's the reason I went with crypto trading. Now, where are we standing on day 3? Well, we're standing at $309 and 3 days. Quick interruption. What I wanted to say is when you subscribe, like the video, watch the whole video, and comment, it gives me the opportunity to give more money away to entrepreneurs in my free Discord server and help their business journeys and give them more capital. Just like my member right here, Sarp, I gave him $25 Amazon gift card to help him buy whatever business equipment he may need or just use as capital for his business. So when you do that, it enables me to give more money away. Let's go back to the video, which is pretty good. We have 4 more days to go. So if we're continuing this trajectory, we're gonna fail. So we need to step up our game here. We need to really put the gas on the pedal. So I'm going to have to do crypto trading every single day, which is gonna suck, but I'm gonna do it anyways. This is how we're gonna have to hit $1,000. It is what it is. I'll be doing at least 3, 4, 5 hour sessions each day. I may lose money, may make money. I'll probably make money, so don't worry about that. Now, talking about other things, continuing affiliate marketing, I'm looking at buying another account, a TikTok account as well, so that should boost up as well. I'll see you guys in day 4. Okay, it is day 5, but we didn't do day 4 yesterday. The reason I didn't is because I actually had prom, which was high school prom, and I had no time. So in that regard, we only did one thing, and that was affiliate marketing, and it actually went pretty well. We didn't do as bad as the first day, but we definitely didn't do great yesterday, especially that yesterday was the 4th day of the challenge. So going on to yesterday, we posted a couple reels that did good. We made around $71 in revenue for affiliate marketing, which equivalented to $55 in profit. That was literally the whole entire day 4. We didn't do anything else. It was pretty much all that. So let's hop into today, which is day 5. Now, there's still a lot more time left in the day, especially we have at least, I think, 5-6 hours till the day ends. So we have a lot more time. Now, what we did today was affiliate marketing, and then I did around a 4-hour session of crypto trading, which wasn't bad whatsoever. Had to make up for yesterday, and we certainly did do that. Now, for affiliate marketing, my reels popped off, so a couple TikToks that I'll put up on the screen, and they did very, very good. So for affiliate marketing, we made $138 in revenue, which is very good. And then for the profit, that comes out to around $97 in profit, as you can see somewhere on the screen that I'm putting it. Now, as for affiliate marketing, I want to buy other accounts, but I thought to myself, if I keep on buying accounts in this challenge, I've only bought 1, but if I do buy more accounts, it's kind of going to be unfair because I'm spending money to make money. So I'm going to not buy any more accounts for this. I only bought 1 for the challenge, and it's made a good amount of money, but it hasn't made a crazy amount of money, probably equivalent to maybe $70-$60. So, but still, affiliate marketing is doing great. Now, as for crypto trading, again, we did a 4-hour session. The beginning half of the crypto trading session was horrible. I was thinking of just stopping the whole entire day, which you should, but I'm like, okay, I'm down $54, which I was 2 trades. I was down $54. May not sound a lot, but I wasn't going for any big gains whatsoever. And I was like, okay, we should probably stop here. But if I'm down $54, I have to subtract that. And for the day, we would only be up $47. So I had to keep on going, had to be patient. And I waited about 50 minutes to get into 2 trades that were like back-to-back trades. These were Bitcoin trades, and they were very, very quick. So what happened is the first trade, I made very little gains, 1.8%, but that gave me the confidence to go in heavy on the next trade. Now, the 1.8% trade, I made about $26. So at this time, I was about halfway deduction of my losses. Now, for the last trade, which was very profitable, very quick, and very, very, very good execution, I did around 6%. Now, it was very quick again, and I put down a very good chunk of money on it, and we made a pretty good chunk back. We made around $154 profit on that trade. So all in for the day, we did $180 in profit. Minus the $54, so that wasn't actually profit. $180 you could say profitable on 2 trades, and then the other bad 2 trades were at the beginning was around $54. So if you subtract those, we're profitable on $126 for trading, plus $97 on affiliate marketing, and today we're looking at $223 in profit for the day. of day 5 so far. It could be more. Now, we've only really done a couple things in this video, and that's selling a TikTok account, which I'm finding a buyer to buy another TikTok account. It won't be as much as the first one, but it'll still be a good amount of money, maybe $50-$60 depending on what happens, because TikToks I'm posting on there isn't doing so good, so it probably would pay less. But anyways, if I can get a buyer, it is what it is, and I'll definitely take $50. So yeah, let's go over to tomorrow on day 6. Hopefully it's going to be a good day. I'll see you guys. Hopefully we make some more money by the end of this day, but I'll see you guys then. It is day 6, so let's get into it, and this is by far the best day of this challenge. So today was a great day of affiliate marketing, sold another Instagram account, and we did a lot of good trading. Now the bad thing is that, well, we would be over this challenge, but let me save that for later. Okay, let's start with affiliate marketing, because, we just want to get that out of the way. We did 1 trading book, we did 4 affiliate marketing books, and we did 1 trading indicator, posted a bunch of reels, a bunch of TikToks, all went great. Didn't do as good as last time, but we'll still take the profits. We did about $89 in revenue today and approximately $62 in profit. I know what you're saying. Well, last time that was way better, right? Yesterday. No, that's okay. We just got to keep posting. Money's money. I'm not complaining about $62. It's going to help us pass this challenge. I hope. Why am I wearing a hat at 10:30 at night? Well, honestly, I don't know. It's probably because it looks like a stage 5 hurricane just went through my hair. On the bright side, we did great selling an Instagram account. What I've been doing with my friend is we've been breeding Instagram accounts, and we've been selling it on my Discord because people want them. So I sold one of the Instagram accounts. I had about 2,700 followers, somewhere around that range, for $150. It was a really good account, so we let it go. Kind of wanted to hold on to it, but I had to let it go kind of because of this challenge. So I sold it. I don't get the whole thing. We do a 50-50 cut, so I gave him 50%, which was $75, and I got back $75 in profit. So I didn't take home $150. I can't complain. We bred it from the ground up, so that's another $75 tacked on for today. As for trading went, only a 26-minute session, but I missed out on one of the best trades for the whole entire challenge. This is why trading can be very stressful sometimes. And whatever people say of it can be great all the time is not true. It is very bad sometimes. We did a trade for 7.05%. It was like the perfect timing. We were only sitting there for about 26 minutes, and I caught on a great short. I'll explain it like right now. So this is the trade we took. We basically used the resistance, which doesn't really matter, but we took the short all the way down there. That's great, but look what happened an hour later. If we just would have held on to the trade that I was going to normally take, yeah, that's a lot. So as I just explained it, now let's see if I waited 2 more minutes. This trade I literally did about 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, and I'm like, okay, we got the trade done. Let's go film this part of the video and end it off, and tomorrow we hit big on the river card. Look what happened. So yeah, we missed out on like a $500, $400 play, but at the end of the day, I'm still happy. And either way, we made $122 profit on today, so I can't complain for the trading. Drum roll, please. For today, we did approximately $244 in profit for the whole entire day. That's with all my commission base, my trading profit, and my sold Instagram account. Now, what is the plan for tomorrow? Because tomorrow is the last day. Day 7 is upon us. What do? I don't know. Why are you looking at me? Tomorrow, I have a full schedule of a day. You know what that means? That means I am screwed. I'm kidding. I'm going to make the money. We all know this, okay? We all saw this coming. Let's see how much more money I can make. Whatever amount I go over of $1,000, I will be donating from the London Nugs Foundation, which is funded from London Nugs bank account. So obviously, you know that the charity is actually in debt. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. It is day 7, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to do the summary of this video, what happened, and first we need to go over what happened on day 7. So we did 2 things today. We did affiliate marketing as usual, and we sold a TikTok account, a little over 160,000 followers in the finance niche, and we sold it for a good chunk of money. I bought this TikTok account on day 2 of the challenge, so this is within the challenge, and I sold it on day 7, which is today, so that is 5 whole days that I held the account and sold it for. If you're wondering how I do these, is I have an account shop in my Discord. My Discord server is free. What I basically do is buy and sell accounts, because a lot of people want to buy accounts, they don't know where to do it, they don't have trust, and then also people want to sell them, so I'll get them from suppliers as well that will give me a good price, and I'll make a little bit of profit. That's basically what it is. I'm like your third party, so you understand, you know where these are coming from. So for affiliate marketing, we sold 7 ebooks today that generated us $70 in revenue, which comes out to be $48 in profit. We'll take that. Not as good as the last couple of days, but we'll definitely take. Money is money. Now for the account, I bought the account for $680 on day 2, and I flipped it, and I made about $240 in profit today. So combining those two totals with affiliate marketing and the TikTok account, we generated a little over $288 in profit. I did not do any crypto trading today because the markets weren't looking good and I wasn't confident today. And also I was selling the account, so I didn't see any need to. Now for the total of this challenge, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and today, which is day 7, we made a total of $1,119 in profit. 7 days online, making good amount of money. Now, I want you to know that this success was pushed hard. I normally don't really do this because of the video. I wanted to make sure I get really good results. So I want you to know that I pushed hard to get these results. It's not like I do this on a daily basis or a weekly basis because I try to build my businesses up, and I'm working on 2 really good businesses right now that I'm trying to build up fast. So I don't have as much time to do this. So please note that I don't do this on a daily basis. So don't think that these results are very achievable. Again, this takes a lot of hard work and a lot of time that I put in over the years to achieve something like this if I want to go out and make this money. So please know that this comes with a lot of hard work and a lot of effort, so it's not easy whatsoever. Now for the $119 over for the challenge, we're going to use that money to give away to entrepreneurs on my Discord server that I normally do, and as you saw in the middle of the video anyways, so that's what we do. We'll be able to up the stakes on these donations. So I hope you please like and subscribe the video. Again, it does support these entrepreneurs to give more money away and also enables me to make more content because these are hard to make and they take a lot of time, and I pay my editor good money because he spends a lot of time on it and he does a really good job to deliver good content for you guys. As you can see, hopefully you can see the effort I'm putting into this content to make it better and better because it does take a lot of time, and I'm working on 2 businesses at the moment, so it does mix a little things into my schedule, but I'm really loving making YouTube videos. I hope you guys enjoy it with all the comments I'm seeing, and it really motivates me to keep going. So thank you. Next video is going to be awesome if you're watching before this, so definitely stay tuned to that. Maybe hit the notification bell. I normally don't say that, but you're gonna want to for this next video. So yeah, I'll see you guys later in the next one. Peace out.